Americans from North Carolina to New York are under a slight or severe risk for storms. Record-breaking heat in the south and flooding in the Midwest this afternoon. Airplane tracker FlightAware said airlines delayed more than 2,500 flights and canceled 800 others. The FAA's Twitter account is teaching travelers about what it calls escape routes.
We put out escape routes that take them either south, then west, or our friends up in Canada were able to help us out today. They took them north and west and beyond.
And north of us in Chicago, the mayor said 9 inches of rain fell there. The city's not seen that kind of rain since 1987.
And now, your Storm Center 7 forecast with meteorologist Robert Gauthreaux III.
However, so many people across our viewing area tomorrow have the day off to be able to celebrate the 4th of July. People want to know, are they going to be able to get out? They're going to be able to do what they want to? Is the weather going to mess with things?
And that's the trouble with trying to tell you the weather, is that when I say rain, people might say, uh-oh, does that mean I have to cancel plans? Well, no. We will see the chance for a stray shower or a stray storm tomorrow, probably less than what we saw today. So if you do plan on going out to grill or maybe catching some fireworks or shooting some fireworks of your own, should be pretty nice. I mean, you might have to dodge a storm or two. Just keep an eye to the sky. Stay updated with the forecast on WHIO. But we should be in better shape tomorrow than what we had earlier today. Got a little bit rumbly and also seeing some clearing skies at the moment. I mean, there's a little bit of cloud cover out there. We'll probably keep some partly cloudy skies with us overnight. And temperatures dropping in the mid-60s. A lot of that rain activity is now pushing well off to the east. In fact, you're not even seeing it that much anymore in, say, Virginia, West Virginia, but there's a little bit. In fact, even had a few severe thunderstorm warnings down Virginia way. But other than that, Ohio has been fairly quiet, and we're not really seeing anything now. Estimated rainfall totals have peaked over a half inch in some places actually getting even over an inch, like in Bellefontaine, where that little thunderstorm, I say little, the storm that we were following all evening actually started up that way. But right now in Springfield, where many of you actually saw that funnel cloud, things are quiet. The roads are dry and traffic is moving along at this time of night, with Dayton 73 degrees the temperature, Richmond 68, Urbana 68, 75 in Oxford. So a little bit of a mild evening, but fairly seasonable. We'll get into the 60s tonight, probably even the mid-60s in most places. Tomorrow will be a little bit warmer, a little bit more humid. So with high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, it'll probably feel like the 90s in some spots. So kind of a hot and humid 4th of July. But overall, not expecting too much rain, really. Again, should be pretty nice if you plan on going outside tomorrow, doing something. If you need to smoke that brisket and wake up early in the morning, you'll be in good shape. Futurecast shows pretty much what I just said here. I'll illustrate it. Here you can see in the morning, might even see a little bit of patchy fog. That's what's being illustrated here. By the afternoon, what you're going to see is, yes, a pop-up little shower or two. Notice it's just a few of them. The Futurecast is trying to show us that there's a stray shower here and there possible, perhaps even a rumble of thunder, but we are in good shape. Moving into Tuesday night, we're in good shape. Now, Wednesday is a little bit of a different story. There's a better chance for some pop-up showers and thunderstorms across more of the region. You can see that here by 4:30. We're looking at a few showers, kind of like what we saw today across the Miami Valley. The next 7 days show temperatures getting into the mid to upper 80s. Again, seasonable, but hot and humid, probably feeling like the 90s on Wednesday. And then as we move into the latter part of the week, we trend a little drier and a little bit cooler, with highs struggling to reach the 80s.
All right, Robert, thank you. I want to get back to that deadly shooting in Philadelphia. Just at the top